Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your AEC Tech Girl here, and today we're diving into something super exciting. Autodesk has just released its cloud content platform, a game changer for anyone in the AEC industry. Now, back in 2023, Autodesk announced that it acquired the Unifi platform, which was a web-based content management system that allowed users to organize, find, upload, and access digital assets for BIM models. So, if you've been using Unifi, then you're in for a treat because Autodesk has rebranded it and taken it to the next level. Since hearing this announcement, I have been eagerly waiting to see what Autodesk would do with it and how they would integrate it into the entire Autodesk ecosystem. And I'm thrilled that it has finally been released. So what exactly is the Autodesk Content Catalog? Well, it's a powerful digital asset management solution that allows users to efficiently organize, share, and access the latest versions of their BIM content, such as Revit families and Autodesk Blocks. It serves as a central hub for storing and managing content, ensuring that everyone on the team is using the most current data. The best part? It's available at no additional cost for users who already have a subscription to Autodesk Docs. So if you already have any of these subscriptions over here, you already have the content catalog as well. Today, I'm going to show you how to start using the Autodesk Content Catalog, where to find it, and some of the key features. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do when getting started is to set it up in your Autodesk Construction Cloud account, which you will need account admin access. Once you are able to get into the account admin, you can then go to library and you'll see a new option for content catalog. Now, I've already set mine up, so it's already there. So if you're setting this up for the first time, you'll simply select content catalog and go through the steps of setting up the default collection. Once you have the default collection created, you can then go ahead and manage the different collections of your content catalog. This could be based on projects, location, or office, anything like that. Once I'm in here, I can create a content collection and name it whatever I want to name it. We can then add users to the group or simply just save the collection. Once I have my content catalog collection created, I can then move over to managing and uploading and doing all the amazing things that the content catalog does within Revit or AutoCAD. Before we do that, we have to make sure the extension for AutoCAD and Revit is installed. So we're going to go to our Autodesk account, go to product updates, and simply search for content catalog. The second I start typing it, it's already going to appear here. And then I can install either the AutoCAD extension or the Revit extension. Once it is installed, you can then go to Revit, and in the Insert tab, you will see an option for content catalog with either the option to launch as an app or launch in browser. So if you launch it as an app, it will open a web-based app. If you launch it as a browser, it'll just open it in the web browser that is your default. So I'm going to launch it as an app. It's going to open on my other screen, of course, but it's going to go ahead and open the content catalog. So on the left-hand side here, we have all of the different options available to us, from searching for the content to browsing our content to saved searches, then upload requests, uploading content, and company details. We're going to go through all the different modules and how to use all of the functionality. So in the company details, this is where you're going to manage the basic permissions. You can edit any of the permissions here. You can even edit the search preferences. I won't get into the details of these options. One thing you do want to set up are your tags. So this is where you can create tags to manage your content, whether that be by construction type. Maybe you want to specify if your content is sustainable, then you can create your different tags, and it is as easy as that. When you want to upload content, then that's where you go to the Upload Content module. Here you're able to upload content from any open Revit project. Before setting that up, you want to specify which collection you want to upload the content to. So I'm simply going to select my company content and upload it to that collection. Then I can select from any model I have open, and it will start preparing all of the families, content, fill patterns, sheets, views, etc. that I can upload to the content catalog. So we have all our loadable families, we have our fill pattern. If I had any placeholder sheets, it would be available, but I don't in this project. Schedules, sheets, system types, so not only loadable families, but also system families like floors, walls, roofs, etc. Any tags or views. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload a few system types for my floors. And then hit next. It's going to extract that data so that we can then upload it to our collection. Once I have this preview, then I can select which families I want to upload. Make sure that you're specifying which collection to upload it to, and then simply hit upload. Only going to take a few seconds. Now, if you select a lot of elements, it will take longer. So select all your elements, go grab some coffee, and then come back and it will be uploaded to the collection. Once we have our families uploaded or our content uploaded, we can then go ahead and begin to manage that content. So I'm going to go ahead to browsing for my content. And here I get access to all my different collections. You can see how many elements are within each collection, when it was last modified. And the only collection that I actually have content in is my company content, which I uploaded to. We can then see that it's filtered by the type of content it is. We have our doors, our drafting views, the floors, those are the ones that I just uploaded, and also our walls. One of the key features is that you're able to have a single source of truth for your content, because you're able to upload it all to the collection, and then everyone at your company or anyone who has access to that hub can access this content. So you no longer do you have to rifle through different projects and different locations on different drives. You have it all in one location. You have the versioning where you can see the date that was uploaded and when it was last modified. And what's really nice is you get all of these previews. So if I go to the doors, I'm able to see all of the doors with this little thumbnail, so I can easily see what they look like. This is great for design because I get a preview of all of those elements. And then when I select that element, I get even more information. So that preview then becomes a 3D axon that I can pan around to get more information about that element. I can zoom in to really see all of the details needed so I can be educated into what content I'm uploading. If you scroll down, you then get access to all of the types within that family. I can also expand each type and get access to all of the type parameters and the parameter values. This is going to be crucial in searching for these elements because I can use any of these parameters to search for the elements. I get the version year as well. And if I wanted to, I can also toggle over to see the history and the file information. If I wanted to insert it into another project, I can simply insert it into the project. Or if I use this little arrow down here, I can download, I can open in the family editor, or do any of these other options available to me. I can also edit and add a tag from those tags that we created and use that to filter and search. Another amazing part of the content catalogs is its granular filtering and searching, which is going to make it a lot easier to find the elements that I need. This is going to be in the search for content. I can search by a particular collection. So I can specify which collection I'm searching in, and then I can come in and filter by different things like the file type. Maybe I only want to search for loadable families. Maybe I want to include a particular tag, and there we're able to search and find the elements that we want to insert. I can also save this search. And even add an icon so that in the future, I can simply go to my saved searches, select it, and will automatically enable that saved search so I don't have to reset that search over and over again. Then I can simply select any elements from here and insert them into the current open project. We can either override the family or override with parameters if that element already exists in the project, and it will go ahead and insert it. This way I can easily insert a ton of my company approved content into new projects or update content that has been modified into existing projects. And that's it. The Autodesk Content Cloud is a huge step forward for the AEC industry, making it easier than ever to manage and utilize BIM content. And I can't wait to see how this tool evolves and the impact it will have on our workflows. If you haven't already, I highly recommend checking it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and let me know in the comments below if you've tried out the Autodesk Cloud content or if you have any questions. And remember, stay empowered, stay inspired, and always challenge what is possible.